Y'all, welcome back to Just TK on TK Tuesday. I'm about to make an apple muffin dump cake. Okay, you're gonna need a few ingredients, and it is going to turn out so good. All right, it is muffin mix, apple cinnamon. I think they had other flavors as well, but whatever you think is going to be good to you, do that. I got these little containers from Food Lion. I'm using vanilla. I'm using brown sugar as well. You're going to spray this with a little flour pan. I think it's called a pan with flour. I don't know. It's like a baker's choice or something like that. And spray the tin real good, okay? And you're also going to need butter. Forgot that's a key ingredient, y'all. Now, the apple filling is like a pie filling, so you can do apple, cherry, strawberry, whatever flavor you like, okay? What I should have did was did 2 of these because, baby, it was so good. I did make another one. I'll show you guys that on Tuesday, I think. This post might be on Thursday. I'm not really sure which day I'm going to do it. But you'll see the other one that I made. As you can see, it was right there. That pumpkin one, it was not good. Anyway, you're going to put some sugar on top of these apples that came out of the can. You're going to do 2 caps of vanilla. And listen to me very clear, okay? Listen. You are going to mix and combine these ingredients. This is the only thing that you will mix together, okay? The only thing. Don't mix anything else. The rest of it is literally dump and leave it alone, okay? So now you're going to go ahead and put some brown sugar on top. And again, you can do as much or as little as you would like. You could have mixed this in as well, but I thought it was just another layer of a texture. I don't know. It was just really, really good without it being mixed in, okay? And you're just making sure that it is everywhere. Then you're going to go ahead and do the muffin mix. Now, usually you can do this with cake mix, but baby, the muffin mix did something different for me, and it was so good. The only thing that I did regret is not putting a little bit more butter in on top of it. So during like the 30-minute mark, you're going to put it at 350. I did put a little bit more butter on it, and you'll basically see the difference. Like the other parts will get like a little bit brownish, and then the other part that you would need to add more butter on is going to be looking like the sandy brown that you see here, okay? So I would have put just a little bit more butter on it, or maybe made the lines a little bit closer so that it could have got everywhere, okay? But again, at the 30-minute mark or like 25-minute mark, depending on how your oven cooks, I would look at it, and you'll definitely know when it's time to come out. I would say give it about literally 40 minutes, and it should be good to go. Again, I would check it, though, at about 30 or the 25-minute mark so you can see if you can add any more butter, and then let it go for that rest of the time, okay? It's so easy. It was so easy. The cleanup was easy because literally I'm just pouring everything into this container here. And again, you can get containers probably from like Dollar Tree if you wanted to, but I got this from Food Lion. And it was $79 for 3 of them, and it came with tops. Look how delicious it came out. And it would be better with some ice cream, but baby, I ain't have no ice cream. I had some whipped cream, and it did the job. This is how it came out. Thank y'all so much for watching and tuning in with me. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. I'm sure we'll see that number soon. Bye, y'all.